How this is how we try for mass communication. Here I'm again with another video. Here I'm again with another unboxing, and I'm again with Guess product for you guys. I have a sneaker white from Guess. Look at this beautiful box of Guess premium quality 8D7. Authentic original Guess from Spain. Let me take this off from here. Lovely. Wow, beautiful sneaker this one. Wow, quality, the design of Guess, you see the texture. G is written different way and big logo of Guess. Show you from close. Here also written Guess. The top Guess, so they're marking all the way metal. This is steel, I feel here, not as a plastic because I feel cold at my hand. Plastic you feel nothing, so it's steel. At the backward you can see here Guess has this sole, beautiful sole. I feel elegant, high quality texture. Wow, here also marking Guess at the bottom. Wow, beautiful. Inside is also written Guess all the way. More things is written this side. Feel good quality cushion. This is tight sneaker. Beautiful, can dress with pants, skirt, whatever you like to wear. Here see the lace, beautiful white lace. Let's go to the other pair. Here is a card, guarantee card from Guess. You can see important distributed by something. Okay, here Guess. And another pair, you can see how beautiful this sneaker is. Lovely. If you want to see more about sneaker boots, check the video description. I have many of them from Guess, from Panama Jack, from Timberland, whatever you like to watch. Okay guys, if you like this video, please do subscribe to my channel. If you like this segment, please give me a thumbs up. Take care till then, bye.